see what we got in this bad boy. That's what I'm talking about. Vail Cast by Vanguard Dynamics. A little bit real quick about what this is. Basically, this is a streaming device. But what kind of sets this one apart is not only is it a streaming device, it's also got a built-in amplifier. So it's an all-in-one package. And what I like about this, oh yeah, look at that. This is exciting. What you're going to notice about this thing is its small size. So that's the Vanguard Dynamics Vail amp. This has a built-in amplifier in it. So the beauty of this thing is we can set it on a desktop, hook some speakers up to it, we're good to go. Or this can mount in a double gang wall outlet inside the wall, sit flush inside the wall, connect some architectural speakers to it, and you're done. A great application I see for this is I see a lot of back patios. We've got speakers out there, they've got the little volume control on there, like, well, how do I get music out there? This is how you get this out there. Take the volume control out, stick this in the wall, you're done. This connects to Spotify Connect, AirPlay, Google, all the popular platforms out there, Pandora, you name it, you can connect this to it. This is going to be great. One of the other advantages of this thing is it's got an optical input on the back. So a great application I see this for is upstairs in the bedroom where you've got a TV. You want better sound out there, you don't want it all cluttered up. This will go in the wall underneath the TV, connect your TV to it, hook up some speakers, you're good to go. Bluetooth if you want to, you can stream stuff to it. This is great. So I'm going to get some speakers hooked up to this. We're going to do a little testing out and we'll let you know, but I just want to get a word out that we have got the Vanguard Vail amp in hand and we're going to be testing this and checking this thing out, and I am super excited. Thanks for watching.